Welcome to Gibraltar. This tiny but fascinating place is a mix of British, Spanish and Mediterranean cultures. Today I'm going to show you how to have the perfect day here, whether you're visiting on a cruise or just exploring for the day. So we started off at the cruise port and walked to the cable car. It's a fairly easy walk, it's about 30 minutes, and honestly it was a great way to see the town centre. We even grabbed some fresh bakery goods along the way and would definitely recommend that. Gibraltar is about 2.6 square miles, the size of Central Park in New York. But don't let its small size fool you, there is so much to see and do here. This is the Rock of Gibraltar, the most famous landmark here. It rises 1398 feet above sea level and offers some of the best views in the world. On a clear day you can even see Morocco, just 14 miles away across the sea. You can easily spend about 3 hours up here, but if you're short on time, here are my top picks. Apes Den. You have to see the famous monkeys. They're wild, hilarious and honestly everywhere. So these monkeys are the only wild monkeys in Europe. Legend has it, if they ever leave Gibraltar, the British will lose control over the territory. During World War II, Churchill made sure they were well fed, no joke. And be careful because they can steal your bags and everything. St. Michael's Cave. This place is unreal. The rock formations are stunning. There is even an angel-shaped stalagmite inside. It's really super cool. After we visited the rock, we ended up going down to Ocean Village for a dolphin watching tour. This is where we went on one of the best dolphin tours I've ever been on. There were dolphins everywhere, thousands of them. We also booked this on GETURGUIDE and it was only about $25 compared to the cruise ship charging $99. It was such a bargain. Whoa, cool! So there you have it, in a day from epic views to wild monkeys to dolphins and ancient caves. This place packs a serious punch. Don't skip it if your cruise or travel take you nearby. You'll be super glad that you made the stop. Please consider subscribing if you like content like this, and have a great week. And I'll see you on the next video.